Hello everyone, Radar Rascal here with another Skyblock episode. This episode we are building the fishing pond. So I pretty much, or Shadow's pretty much building it right now. Taking him a while though. But we're probably going to be detailing it up more this episode. So yeah, also as you can see, the big Dozier dog statue was torn down. The shop, Shadow did a little bit, built that. Next episode we'll be working a lot more in the shop, which is really nice. So, yeah, we don't have that much else. I did get a new pickaxe, which is efficiency 4, so a beacon is good. Yeah. Alright. So, we are going to detail stuff. I'm also going to set up, or grab some of this stone that I was smelting, and maybe do a little bit. I do have wood on me, so that's good. Also, if you didn't see, this is the cobblestone generator. We'll probably have this do a lot more. Like make a lot of layers up. Mob farm doesn't really work too well. We might tear that down and like wait until we have enough villagers, because we could do an iron golem farm eventually. Looting 2 on a sword. It costs too much. I'm waiting for a really good villager. I did have a farmer, and I put him in like a thing, but he like despawned. Oh, here he is. Okay, yeah, farmers are really, really good because we have like an absolute surplus of like farming supplies like potatoes and wheat. Little. Oh, also we got another doge. Here he is right here. We'll probably name him. Right now he's just like Little Doge number 2, as you just saw from what Shadow called him. But also, I have exciting news. I'll be purchasing a Minecraft server either Friday or Saturday. So that'll be epic. It's going to probably be a modded server. That's my guess, what I'm going to do with it. Because I really want to set up a modded thing. And it's really fun, so. It'll be with the mod pack called from this LeBron craft. It's, if you've ever seen, or the KWire Speedy mod pack, pretty much. That's what it'll be. So yeah, I'll be uploading that a lot as well. I don't know. Maybe I'll work. Okay, I know what I'm gonna work on. I'm gonna work on a nice catwalk. Actually, first I'm gonna go right here, make a crafting table. Oh my God, such ignorant. Boom and boom. Make a crafting table. Get some stone slabs in the joint. I don't know if that really is enough, but probably not. But yeah, since Shadow's working on that fishing thing, oh nice, we got a fish. That's pretty swag. Also, Shadow did survive a tornado today in stream. Jesus, I hate building over slabs. I die all the time. Rest in pepperonis. He says that every single time I die. But it's good because I don't lose anything. I'm gonna die again. I don't know why the slabs don't place. Oh, lag. The server's lagging, I think. It might have just disconnected. Nope. Crap, okay. Deleted all that progress right there. Not like that was in much though. Do. Okay, I'll get on these slabs. Okay, cool. Now we have this. I don't know if I like that though. Like that. Yeah, whatever. It's not bad. Oh my god. That does that literally every time. Okay, I'll hop down here. Just making myself a little catwalk, Shadow. That's what I'm doing. Oh my god. Fishing in the wrong spot, fella. I don't know. I might. Should I? I don't know. I'll just have your guys' opinion on that. Okay, that's pretty good. Yeah, we're probably gonna tear down that thing that we put up right there, but because Shadow doesn't really like it, and I don't really like it anymore, because I didn't really know what Shadow was going to do with it that whole time, or I didn't know what because he designed the shop, so I didn't know what he was really gonna do. Oh my god. You know, that's what I hate, like, the most, is freaking falling. Makes me mad. Dude. Haha. I win. Stupid thing. I almost fell. Okay. Yeah, if we don't get this finished by the end of this episode, I'll probably just finish it after the episode. Where did that start at? Okay, it started right here. I also might just pause the video, like take a cut to where the finished product is, but I don't know. Because I'm going pretty fast, and we still got time. Oh, I love this beacon. It's great. Wow, a lot of skellies. Oh, I'm gonna fall so many times. Yeah, I don't know. I was gonna make like a catwalk or something, but now I'm kind of not into that idea. Also, I have to make sure to get rid of like the full blocks, kind of. Okay. And yeah. Oh, I don't know what we'll put in between. You guys can comment if you want. Wait. Why is that? Why are all these uneven? Every freaking one of them. They're all the exact same. Whatever, maybe this one's just screwed up. I have no idea now. Whatever. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this episode. Here's what we did in today's video, right here. So, like I said, I'll be posting more stuff now that I'm back from my vacation. And also here's Shadow with his amazing fishing pool right here. I'll probably do some more fishing. It looks very, very nice right here. You walk in, you got the nice slabs that contrast with the jungle. You got the crops like cocoa beans and stuff. Got the grass all around. Oh, you got poofer fishes. Now you can keep all that if you want. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and have a nice day. Another episode will be out tomorrow, and yeah, more episodes soon to come. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. We're very close to 50 subscribers. I just wish more of the people that watch Twitch would subscribe, you know, because I have like 533 followers on like Twitch, so it's kind of like, I don't know, whatever. Thank you guys for watching, and me and Shadow say bye bye. And okay, thanks for watching.